This is a fun kid-size or ladies sports fitness watch called the Q28. You have, in addition to time, your step count, calories burned, and distance traveled, along with a built-in heart rate monitor and blood pressure system that will assess your health. You've got sleep count or sleep time information from last night, and messages will appear here pushed from your phone when you're tethered. If you go into the sports mode, you can cycle through a whole variety from running and walking and hiking and biking to things like, it looks like ping pong and basketball and whatever that was, and ball sports. You have a timer with it as well, and of course you can find your phone if you've lost it or set it down or turn the band off. It's got a nice contrast screen, and you can change that to a few different screens if you want to, simply by holding the button. It's the Q28.